Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Movies Craver. Movies Craver is a special extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This extension is malicious because it actually functions as a browser hijacker. It may hijack some of your crucial browser settings without your permission. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it, you will be able to get some popular movies on the internet, find amazing movies within a second by using search box feature built in our extension, that is the quotation. But in reality, this is a malicious extension that functions as a browser hijacker, and it may also function as adware. It may display a lot of its advertisements while you surf the internet, and it may also change some of your crucial browser settings, as I have said before. In case this extension was installed into your Google Chrome, you should get rid of it. This is how you can get rid of that unwanted extension from the Google Chrome. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Then if you find any third-party extensions here, you need to get rid of them. There are a lot of malicious extensions like that, which are promoted through a lot of suspicious websites that may be presented as some fake Google Chrome update alerts. So you should not trust such fake Chrome update alerts, and remember that they may damage your entire computer. In case this extension, as I said, was added to your Google Chrome browser, a lot of troubles may happen. So I will explain to you once again how to remove it. Go to the menu of your Google Chrome browser, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. When you find the extension, disable and remove the extension. To make sure that the system is fully free of any other threats, I also recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-Ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.